data handling. Last class we have seen arithmetic mean or average. Today we are going to learn about the other two representative values, that is median and mode. See, mean is not only the tool which is required for a representative value, but we need some different representative value in different situations. Let us see one example like that. There are 9 children with their heights recorded as 101 centimeter. All are in centimeter only. So 102, 106, 109, 110, 110, 112, 115 and 115. 9 children are there and their respective height. If we go for this mean, you are going to get a 108.8 only. Now we want to make the two groups of this. So if I consider mean as the approximative, it is the true representative of this data, then below 108, how many children will come? It is 108.8 only. So I'll take 109 as the middle value, means according to the mean. So two groups means 109 we will get only here 4. Right, otherwise 3 only I can count. Here what happens, above 109 you are having 5 children are there, so it is not an equal group. Such situations, what we should do means, we cannot depend upon mean. We cannot depend upon mean only, so we should go for the other representative value or measures of central tendency we can call, that is median. Now it is already arranged in ascending order. Now how many values I told? 9 values. So 1, 2, 3, 4 here and another 4 here only. So this will be our first group. So 110 is the middle value which equally divided it into two groups. Understood this one? Previous case when we are considering as a 108 or 0.8 approximately 109 means just 3 members are getting below 109 and here they are getting 5. So that is not an equal groups. So we have to do, in such situations what we have to do means we have to arrange them in ascending order and find out such value which divide it into equal groups. So below 110 here also we are getting 4 and here also we are getting 4 only. So the 110 is the middle value which divides it into two equal groups. I can give another example. Suppose we want to conduct a dance competition. So or dance practice or dance choreography some teachers are doing in your schools means, so what will do that according to the height they will make the center person, means who we will select such a person who can be divide that group into two equal parts. So according to their height sometimes teacher will decide, or according to the dancing ability also it is possible. Suppose 9 children are there, 4 will be on one side, another 4 will be on one side and one will be at the center place, right? So that person only divide that dance group into two parts. So there are certain situations where we cannot depend upon median. Another example, suppose we are having a factory and one manager is drawing a salary of 15,000. He's manager, so his salary, let us take it as a 15,000. Another 4 more employees are there, they are just taking 5,000. Right? These all are employees only. Now if I go for mean, what will happen? 5,000 plus 5,000 plus 5,000 4 times plus 15,000 divided by how many are there now? 5, right? So 20 plus 15, it is 35,000 divided by 5. So what is the mean here? 7,000, right? But 7,000 is not a representative of this group because majority of the employees are earning just 5,000 only. So they can live within 5,000 only. They cannot live for 7,000 rupees, right? So this time we cannot go for mean. At the same time, if I am going for median, median means I should we should do? We should arrange in ascending order. So 5,000 4 times. Again 15,000 is coming last. So now see which is the middle value. 5000. So 5000 is a true representative of this group. So these are the situations where we are going to use median. That means mean we cannot use in such situations. That is why we are telling that different types of measure of central tendency is required in different situations depending upon the data. So here these are the situations I have told. You can see in the real life many examples. So how to find the median, we can learn that one while doing the problems. So find the median of the data. Here one example is given. Now I'll say the steps. Listen carefully. 24, 36, 46, 17, 18, 25, 35. What we have told here? Find the median only. So the first step is here. We should arrange the data in ascending order. So which is the least one? It is 17. Next greatest number is 18. Like that we have to arrange the data. I'll arrange next 24, 25, 35, 36, 46, right? 17 over 18, that is also over. 24 means here, 25 here, then 35 here, and 36 and 46 we have arranged. Now you count how many observations are there. What is the first step we have done? Ascending order, right? Now count the number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll write that n equal to 7. N represent number of observations. It is an odd number, right? N equal to 7. How I got? Just I have counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now if n is an odd number, then you know that clearly it is having a middle value. Which is that middle value? 25. How to get 25? That is the next step. So median formula says that median equal to, if n is an odd number, then median equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. N plus 1 by 2th observation. What is the n value here? 7. 7 plus 1 by 2. That means 8th observation equal to 8th observation. 8th is not the answer. What is the answer? 8th observation. N is what value? N 7 plus 1 by 2th observation, that is 8 by 2th observation. What is 8 by 2? It is equal to 4th observation, right? Which is 4th observation? Count now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got? So the value is 25. So this is the median. What is the step now got? First we have to arrange them in ascending order. Next we have to count the number of observations. That is an odd number. If it is an odd number, what we should do? Median equal to n plus 1 by 2. 1 should be added. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 2th observation. That is 4th observation. After getting 4th observation, that is not the answer. We should count and see which is the 4th one. 17, 18, 24. 3 observation over. Which is the 4th observation? 25. So the median equal to 25. Find the median. 25, 34, 31, 23, 22, 26, 35, 28, 20 and 32. What is the first step? Ascending order. We have written ascending order already. 20 is the least one, 22 is the next higher value, 23 is the next one. Like that we have to write it 35. Now count how many observations are there. First step is ascending order. Second step is how many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. So we will write n equal to 10. Which type of number? Even. If even number is there, then median equal to, right, n by 2th observation. What we should take? N by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. What is the value for n? 10. So 10 by 2th observation plus 10 by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. 10 by 2 means 5th observation plus 5 plus 1 6th observation divided by 2. So which is 5th observations here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 26. Now, which is the sixth observation? 28, right? So, 3, 4, 5 and 6, that is 26 and 28. 26 plus 28 divided by 2. Naturally, it is 27 only. So, 27 is the median. Got now? These are the two different situations. Previous case we have seen that when the number of observation is odd. Now present situation number of observation is even number. Two types of the situation only. Here what happens when it is an even number, two middle terms are getting. See that one here also 4 is there, and after that 28 also 4 is there. Here both are middle terms only. So take the average of that two in the case of number of observation is even. Steps for finding medians. So we have done two examples. Based on that I am giving the steps now. Listen carefully. Arrange the observation in ascending order or descending order. Preferably ascending order only will usually take. Descending order also we can take. Arrange the observation in ascending order. Next, determine the total number of observations, say n. That means number of observations we should count. Two cases are there. If n is odd, that is the first case. If n is odd, then median equal to n plus 1 by 2th observations. Where n is even, B, if n is even, then median equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. So these are the two formulas. Don't confuse. When n is odd, your formula will be n plus 1 by 2th observation. Next, even number means n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. That is average of two middle observations, right? Now we can go for two more examples. Just example 10, 12, 18, 14, 15. Small example only I am taking. So how many observations are there? 5 observations are there, but it is not arranged in a ascending order. N equal to 5. Now what is the problem here? Means it's not arranged in ascending order. So first step is that arrange in ascending order. So which is the least? 10 is the least. Next number is 12, next greater number, but next is 14 only. So 14 I am writing, then 15, then the last is 18. So the first step is over. What is the first step? Ascending order. Now count the number of observations. What is the number of observation? N equal to 5. Odd number, right? Odd number only. So median equal to, we have to write the formula, n plus 1 by 2th observation. Okay. Now what is n plus 1? 5 plus 1 by 2th observation. So 6 by 2. It is third observation. It is not the answer. We should see the, not third is the answer. Some children here only they will underline the answer. It's not correct. Now third observation means we should see the data which is written in ascending order. 1, 2, 3. That is the third observation. Put it in a box and write here which is the median. The median is 14. Another example for even number of observations, 2, 3, 4, 2, 6, 8. Now I know that you are able to tell which are the steps for this. What is the first step? Ascending order. So 2 is the least one among that. Next is 2 times is there. So again we should write one more 2. Next 3, then 4, 6, 8. If number is repeated, that means you cannot skip also. You should repeat the data. So 2, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Now what is the next step? Count number of observations. How many are there? 2, 4, 6. 6 is an even number. Now our formula changes. What is the formula for median? Median equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1 observation divided by 2. Here what is the problem means children will do this line because previous example you have learned it is whole divided by 2 only. Here this 2 is only for n. That should remember when in the case of even number. So 6 by 2. 6 by 2th observation plus 6 by 2 plus 1. 6 by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. What is 6 by 2? Third. Means third observation plus 6 by 2 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Fourth observation divided by 2. So what is third observations? 1, 2, 3. So 3 we have written. What is fourth observation? It is 4 only. So 4 we have written. So 3 plus 4, 7 by 2, it is equal to 3.5. Now see that sometimes mean is not the measurement here. It is not an observation. 3.5 is the median, right? So median we got 3.5. So 3.5 is not there, but it is the true representative of this group. Previous case we got 14, but 14 was there in the data. So sometimes median is present in the observation, sometimes median is not present in the observation also. Median of the observations 11, 12, 14, 18, x plus 2, x plus 4, 30, 32, 35, 41 arranged in ascending order is 24. That means this data is already arranged in ascending order, and median is what? 24. So if that is the case, find x. That is the question. I repeat the question. The median of the observations 11, 12, 14, 18, x plus 2, x plus 4, 30, 32, 35, 41 are arranged in ascending order is 24. So already median is given here. What is the median? Median equal to 24. Right. Now the question is asked, what is x for us? So it is already arranged in ascending order only. So what we have to find out? X only. So number of observations we should count. So I'll write first the data only. Observations are 11, 12, 14, 18, x plus 2, x plus 4, 30, 32, 35, 41. Now if you count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n equal to 10. 10 means even number. According to the formula, what is the median? N by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. That means 10 is n only. So n 10 by 2th observation plus 10 by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. That means 5th observation plus 6th observation divided by 2. So which is 5th observation for us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is x plus 2. Which is 6th observation? Another one, that is x plus 4. I am substituting here x plus 2 plus x plus 4 divided by 2. Median is already given in the question. It is equal to 24. So I am bringing this 2 to this side. It is 48 equal to how many x are there? 2x. Plus 2 plus 4, 6. So 2x here only I am keeping, plus 6 I am bringing to this side. 48 minus 6. So what is x now? Okay, 2x I will write one more time. 48 minus 6 is 42. Therefore, x equal to 21. Right? So what we have done here, already it is arranged in ascending order. Then we have counted the number of observations. What is the number of observations? 10, which is even number. So formula we have written. 10 by 2 means 5th observation plus the next one, 6th observations divided by 2. Now what is our 5th observation and 6th observation from the data? It is x plus 2 and x plus 4. So we substituted that x plus 2 plus x plus 4. X and x is 2x. 4 plus 2 is 6 divided by 2. Already median is given in the question, that is 24. So 24 into 2, that is 48 equal to 2x plus 6. So 6 I am bringing this side. So after solving, x equal to 21. So we got the unknown value for x equal to 21. Numbers 50, 42, 41, 35, 2x plus 10, 2x minus 8, 12, 11, 8, 6 are in descending order and the median is 25. Find x. So already they are arranged in descending order only. Either ascending or descending we can follow. Now I'll take down the data once again, means observations 50, 42, 41, 35, 2x plus 10, 2x minus 8, 12, 11, 8, 6. So already arranged in descending order. Now we have to count the number of observations. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is an even number. Now what is given in the question? Median equal to 25. That is also given in the question. Now if n is an even number, then according to formula, what is median? Median equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. N is 10. So 10 by 2th observation plus 10 by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Again 5th observation plus 6th observation by 2. What is 5th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 6th? 2x minus 8. So we are substituting here 2x plus 10 plus 2x minus 8 divided by 2. What is median? So left side also we have to substitute. It is equal to 25. Now 2 we are bringing to this side. 25 into 2 equal to 2x plus 2x 4x. 10 minus 8, that is 2. So 50 we are getting plus 2 we are bringing to this side, minus 2 equal to 4x. So 48 equal to 4x. So what is x? 48 by 4, that is equal to 12. So what is our answer? X equal to 12. So in case of even number, the formula will be n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. So divide by 2, average of these two observations. So 10 by 2 and 10 by 2 plus 1th observation, that is respectively 5th and 6th observations. We have substituted 2x plus 10 and 2x minus 8 divided by 2. After solving, we will get x equal to 12. Now we have covered median, that is the second measures of central tendency. Popular, next popular to mean only. The first it was mean, again range was there. Now third one, that is median, that we have covered today's classes. So practice the questions. Now one more is left, that is mode. Tomorrow's class we can deal with that. Thank you.